Kitty. Going man though, dude.
Headshot the guy in the face. He's not dead though.
That guy's really good. He missed me every shot.
I headshot him. They all ran away. Fuck. I hit him again. You guys fucking
Can't
mad.
fuck with the revolver, man. Get the fuck out here.
Hey, if y'all need refuge, come over to my base.
Yeah, fuck you.
Oh, I have a revolver. This is perfect, so I can kill nakeds.
I don't know what the hell.
I just found like the best base ever. It's on the roof.
Where the fuck's your door? Oh, it's right here. Get the fuck out here.
I can roof camp the roof camper. So stupid.
Oh shit. I headshot him. Haha, you're dead. Get the fuck out here, man.
Dude, there's 2 nakeds running up on me.
Kill him, dummy.
Oh, I killed one dude. He's fully good. Or he had armor on. I
Really?
got him dead as fuck up. Oh, you're dead.
Derp.
Dude,
Where are you?
I'm the best. I don't know
Where
where
are
you.
you?
I'm dead.
No, I'm right here, dude. I'm right here, dude. I'm right here, dude.
Where are you? The one behind the base right now?
I'm beside their base.
I saw a guy in the bushes right there. I don't know if that's you.
Kronos and those guys just got dumped on. Oh.
What they have?
Just shotties and shit.
Again, the roof again.
Shoot him.
He's got a P2 this time.
That's me, P2.
Oh, you got a P2 now?
Moving up in the world. Yo! There is a guy camping our the new streaming base with a freaking bow. What a nerd.
Alright.
Solid gameplay. Solid gameplay.
I think they ran out 5.56 on that roof. There's the revolvers, guys.
He's literally sitting there with a bow. Oh my. That's so dumb.
You're dead. I'm gonna die to the roof camper. I got another P2. Fuck you, Kronos, you're dead.
Dude, I think this guy's. I headshot him. He's dead. The guy's gonna get you.
I looted him, dude. I got his armor.
did?
Yeah. He
Oh
fell
my
through the
God.
ground. Lol.
Both headshots too real.
Alright,
man.
I'm out of here. I'm running to you.
Hey, jump check?
Yeah.
Jump check? Oh, yeah, I found you. I'm right behind you.
Yeah, I'm the guy with the green and white.
Oh, I hit that guy.
Wait, you have a bolt now?
Yeah, I killed the guy with the bolt.
So high, dude, in the world.
Revolver, dude.
Hey, that's us.
Oh, that's us? Oh, shit.